Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss about that if you want to hide your desktop and if your desktop icons are getting hide and you don't know how to show them or how to hide them. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can show or hide your desktop icon. So let's start. So what you have to do, you have to right click on the mouse, and after right clicking on the mouse, you will see some options. So I'm using the Windows 11. If you are using the Windows 10, you will get some similar options. So there will be a little bit difference. So after that, as you can see, has the refresh button and has a sort by that how the folder should be sorted, and has the undo and the new file. If you want to create a new file of any kind of software, you can also create that, and has a display setting. If you want to make changes in the display setting, so you have to click on this, and if you want to change your personalize, you want to do that something here, or here's the personalize option. If you want to open that, you can also do that, and here's open terminal, and here's a show more option. If you want to click on this, you will see the interface like you see in the Windows 10. So in this way you can see. If you want to see the Windows 11, so you just have to right click on this, and you will see the interface like this. So we were discussing about that how you can show your desktop, that how you can show or hide your desktop icon. So what you have to do, you have to click on the view, and after clicking on the view, you will see the option in the last like show desktop icon. So if you want, they are currently and we can see them. If you want to hide them, so you have to click on this, and they will be hide. So as you can see, now they are not showing. So yeah, what you have to do, if you want to show them again, so you right click on this view, and now click on this, and they are ready. So in this way you can show or hide your desktop icon. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can show or hide your desktop icon. So see you guys in the next video.